And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. This video is going to be a day in the life. A realistic day in my life. It is Saturday, y'all, so mommies, come on. Come here, stink butt. Come here, Gia. Say hey, YouTube. Hey, mommy girl. Come here, Gia. Okay, y'all, so look. I'm too lazy right now, so I put Gia, look at her. Yeah, she let her be by my door. She done made a mess on my balcony, y'all. She done popped my balloons. Don't mind it. She like to go outside in the morning. This is what she do in my balcony. Wanna go outside? Come eat. Come eat, Gia. She ain't trying to eat. Get down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Y'all, so I got her some dog food. She standing by my door because she want to go outside. So I'm going to be right back. I'm going to take her outside for a walk and so she can pee and poop. And I'll be right back. She know what time it is and I put her chain out. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Good mommies. Y'all, my puppy is smart and she sits and she listens sometimes. So I'm gonna go take Gia out for a walk. She's probably gonna come back and eat. Right now my girl gotta pee. Routine, feed Gia, walk her. Now she's eating. So while Gia's eating, I'm gonna go in the bathroom and wash my face, brush my teeth. She gonna come in there when she done. So y'all, I am out the shower and now I'm gonna tell you my agenda for the day. So okay, my makeup artist wanted me to be a model for her, so I have a makeup appointment at 3 p.m. and then after that I'm going to go food shopping because upcoming week is my birthday, y'all. My birthday is coming up next week and my friends and stuff are coming down from North Carolina, so I gotta get some food in this house because I want them to be like, girl, what we eating? And yeah, I gotta get some food in this house. I gotta do some errands, like gotta get some like little plastic, like little champagne glasses because we're gonna be making breakfast. Like, list of things that me and my friends are doing next week. And today's my off day, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. And then I am going to go do my taxes, y'all, because your girl needs that money because I worked all year last year. You feel me? I'm gonna go do my taxes and then I'm gonna go to my mama's house. Oh yeah, I'm also cooking tonight, y'all. I'm making macaroni cheese, fried chicken, and I'm gonna try to make some cabbage, y'all. This is my first time making macaroni cheese and cabbage. And I'm gonna need my mama to help me guide me because I want this food to be real good. So yeah, I'm cooking dinner tonight, y'all. My mom and my brother, they come over to my house for dinner. So yeah, y'all, that's what I have planned for today. I'm gonna take some pictures or whatever because your girl will look so good when she gets her makeup done. Like, my makeup artist never, when I say she never disappoints, she never disappoints. So I'm super excited to be her model because, like, who wouldn't want to get her makeup done for free? Period. But let me go ahead and get dressed, y'all. I'm gonna hit y'all back up once I figure out what I'm gonna wear. And yeah, this is my infamous closet, y'all. I have clothes literally everywhere. Shoes everywhere, goats everywhere, everything. Okay, so I don't know what I'm gonna wear because I want to get cute because I want to take some pictures today, y'all. Just excuse this, like, I got lazy, y'all. All this stuff is clean and I just did not feel like, you know, organizing this shit. I know I'm gonna have to do it soon, but not today. I want to get really cute, but it's cold as fuck outside. I wonder what's the tempy. Where's the tempy for outside? Let me get my phone. I wonder what the tempy is outside. So let me see. Oh, it's 51 degrees today. Okay, it's giving a 2-piece set, long sleeve. I have to wear my brown but what shoes would I wear with it though? Oh shit. One thing about me, y'all, I love a good bodysuit. I love a good bodysuit. And I'm gonna wear what shoes though? Like, I wanna look really cute. I never wear, I don't know. I'm gonna catch y'all when I figure out what I'm gonna wear, y'all. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna just wing this shit. In the clique you claim, West Side, can we ride? You claim to be, but we bust some bad boys, niggas for life. So I picked out my outfit. This is a cute little crop top. I got it from Fashion Nova with a one-piece romper, well, jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. And I got my fours, y'all. This is really a cute look. My makeup gonna be done, y'all, and my hair gonna be done. This is so cute. I'm gonna get back to y'all once I'm in the car because it is going on 2:23 and I got to go.
You can take your time, don't have to rush. This might take us a while, yeah. I left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say
Different vibe. My mom and my dad. I'm really the only person, my brother. I'm really the only person that was born down south.
Okay. We talked about this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll be asking some of the same questions.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory, glorifying in all these formats. Back to future and DeLorean. You ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported, insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Birkin bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang, Balenciaga. Baby, you ain't never too fly for that. I talk a lot of shit, cause I can back it up. She know I'm shit, so baby, back it up.
Over it.
She's walking. I spoke and she didn't even say hi back.
Yeah.
But I kept talking to her because I knew that it wasn't her.
You know it was something deeper.
And look at it. Good butt.
Good Susan.
My good Susan. That's why
Judy's.
try to tell me again. My good Susan.
Good Juice. Good
I got my
Judy.
good Susan and my good not Claire, my good Judy.
Judy.
Get into it, y'all. This is fire. Say hey.
Hey.
Y'all, when I tell y'all this look is so fire, she's not even finished yet. I'm happy that you let me be your model today.
Aww.
I like getting my makeup done.
Thank you. I'm happy you were able to be my model. You have such a pretty face.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Look up for me.
this is what the final looks look like. I let her freestyle on my face, and she did a great job, y'all. Get into the eyeliner. It's very different. I love it. Okay, y'all, I am back in the house. I just put my food up. Look at my refrigerator, y'all. I'm not even finished going shopping. But I just hate that traffic after 5 o'clock, y'all. It just be so bad. It'll be too bad for me. So I just went to Aldi's, got me some things. I'm making dinner tonight, so I got me some. Oh my god. I got me some things for dinner tonight. I got my fried chicken. They soaking. I'm making fried chicken, macaroni and cheese, and I'm making some vegetables. Steaming some vegetables. So we're gonna see how it turn out. Y'all, it's my first time ever making macaroni and cheese, y'all. Pray for me. Mama finna come over here and help me out because I've never made macaroni and cheese before, and I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when the food start cooking and stuff like that. Y'all, I'm cooking for my family, with my brother. Look at the makeup. We got the chicken frying. We got the noodles for the mac and cheese boiling. We got seasoned chicken. Get the vibes. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be real nice and good. And my face look beat while doing it, like, yeah. Let that rock until the button. You let that rock until that button right here turns green. See the mac and cheese, it's just sitting. Mom helping with the cheese sauce. She don't want to be seeing y'all today, so.
I got my pajamas on. Can't do that.
You saw the cheese sauce? Okay, the cheese sauce sticking up.
Cheese sauce.
Okay, my mama's recipe, y'all. This baked macaroni and cheese gonna be so good. That's my favorite meal.
It's good.
Okay.
Get that spoon out.
Okay, everything is finished, y'all. Don't mind the smoke detector going off. So I'm just gonna add some finishing touches. The parsley for decoration. Cookies. Parsley for decoration. A little goes a long way, guys. Okay, we got the vegetables steaming. Don't mind Gina back. I promise you y'all nothing's wrong with her. She just spoiled. I'm going to wrap up this vlog. We got the mac and cheese, baked mac and cheese. We got the veggie steaming, and we got the fried chicken in the air fryer, get extra crispy. Thank y'all for watching me, and see you in the next video. Y'all, so I tried to wrap the video up in my living room. My family was here, but that smoke detector alarm was really getting on my nerves. This is the end of my video, and thank you guys for watching today in my life. Comment below if you want to see more day in my life videos, y'all. I just want to let y'all know next week is my birthday on Thursday, March 23rd. Your girl gonna be 22. Deuce deuce.